Hey, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. We were at Walmart, saw something that I think I really needed. I have to sit out in the car waiting on grandkids to take them home from school every day. And it gets a little warm. I can't sit there with the air conditioner running all the time, so I found this little fan. We'll take it out and show you how it works. Here it is. Let's open it up. See how it looks. Stop. It's unlikely event that you have a problem or question about your unit. There's customer service. Oh well. Okay. Here's the instructions. Looks like. Yep. Shows you how to use it. USB charger cable. There's your fan. Pretty nice little fan. Looks like it moves around. Changes angles and stuff. We'll get this going. We'll charge it up and show you how it works. It says charging time could be 5 to 6 hours. That's a long time, but you're just on your USB port. And it says it'll run on low speed for 9 to 10 hours, medium speed at 5 or 6 hours. So let's see here. Here's your button right here. It turns it on. 1. Click it again. Medium, low, and off. Alright, that's a pretty nice little setup. You can charge it with your USB port on your PC or your laptop. You could probably plug it into one of your phone charging plugs. Might go a little faster, but we'll let you know how it works. We're going to take it out to the car when we have to go pick up our grandkids and use it. Try to stay cool. Well, here I am sitting at my laptop. This is where I edit most of my YouTube videos. And here's my fan. Turn that on high, medium, turn it on low, set it right there. I can turn that up and down on me for the angles. Works pretty good. I like that. I can edit some videos right here with staying cool too. Well, here we are. We're sitting up here at school waiting on my grandson. He's in 1st grade. Sit out here waiting on him. Not too bad. It's only in the low 80s right now. But there's my little fan, you see? See how it works? You can aim it like this, different angles. You got low, medium, and high speed, and it's a good little fan. Hope you enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.